Police! Come out now!
You are fast. And not fast enough to catch him in the act. I'm Dr. Maura Hope, and you are?
Detective Frank Ross. What, you don't know me?
I thought Detective Barry Adams was the primary. Is he on the way?
Wait. Are you saying that Barry caught this case? That motherfucker. Why does this guy keep getting in my way every fucking time? You know I would have made detective 2 years ago if it wasn't for him. Am I the first? Am I the first one here? All right. This is my case now. Okay, fuck Adams. All right? The early bird catches the worm. Let's go. This dummy left his weapon. Makes my life easier.
Well, I need a wound analysis to confirm this is the weapon.
How long's she been dead?
Not very long. I'll have a better idea after the autopsy.
Well, you knew, right? Just give me your best guess.
Guess? Maybe you should leave this to Detective Adams.
And what was your name again?
Dr. Maura Hope, Chief Medical Examiner.
Listen, Mara.
Dr. Hope?
Whatever. Look, this is my case now, okay? So you either work with me or you get out of my way. And you? You look a little too young to be the chief in me.
You look too old to be a rookie. Where are your gloves?
I didn't touch anything. Can I use these? Hey, look. I was in robbery for 3 years, okay? I finally get called up to the big show. You know, this is my first homicide as primary. And if it wasn't for Adams, that son of a bitch, I
I'm
would have
not
done...
interested in what happened between you and Detective Adams. I'm just here for evidence collection, and I'm almost done.
Are you looking for something?
Nothing in particular.
Well, look, she was a doctor. She spent her whole life trying to save people, but she couldn't even save herself.
Not all doctors save people.
Hey, I found this.
Put that in a bag, please. Oh, please, keep those in the tray. I'm taking them to the lab.
Wait, you're leaving? You're taking the earring with you?
Yes, I need to run tests on these.
Wait, before you leave, can you give me any leads?
I can't make any conclusions before I have the lab results.
Right, the autopsy, but can you just send me the lab results first before anyone else?
I don't think I need to report anything to you, Detective Ross.
Hey, I'm the primary, come on. Look, if we solve this thing together, it's gonna work out great for both of us, Mara. Send me the lab results first, before anyone else. Please, Dr. Hope.
Fine.
Moving fast, Frank?
Early bird catches the worm.
Can't believe this. What do you got?
Stabbed to death.
That's it.
And we found an earring.
We?
Well, more like I found it. Dr. Hope wasn't very helpful with that.
That's an ugly joke, Frank. Dr. Hope was our colleague, and I need you to be respectful to her.
That's Dr. Hope?
Yes, Sherlock, that's Dr. Maura Hope.
This is gonna look good for both of us, Mara.
Dr. Hope.
Oh shit.